So this is a quick demo of the Palettizer app I created using JavaScript and D3. So the reason behind it is I wanted to create an app that the people in the company I work for could create customized themes in Power BI and Tableau. I also wanted to make it as easy as possible for them. And so that meant finding a way for them to quickly and easily collect the colors that they wanted, test them for colorblind accessibility, and then export them as either Power BI or Tableau templates. So for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and eyedropper the colors from Google's logo and drop those into Palettizer, and then walk through how you go about transferring those into Tableau. After grabbing the colors from the Google logo, I pasted the hex codes into Palettizer, making sure they were separated by commas. If this had been a JSON array or a JavaScript array, and there had been brackets and quotes, when you actually run with a script, it'll strip those out. Power BI uses JSON, and Tableau actually uses XML. You go ahead and name it. We'll call it Google. Hit submit. And then here you have your customized palette output. So it takes this, strips out any extra quotes or brackets, and returns end result. And one of the reasons I built this, again, was so people can test accessibility, especially when we're dealing with customized color schemes. I wanted to make sure that people were very much aware that if they're not careful, they could create something that colorblind people wouldn't be able to use. To use it, take a screenshot. I like using Coblis or Coblis, I don't know how they pronounce it. Great tool, so you can actually take the image. For this, I'll take my screenshot that I just created. And then I do a real quick run through. I mean, obviously the red and the green are really close. For this, we'll say it's fine. You actually go through and edit. And I'd like to go over to Color Brewer, grab another backup little palette, and then tweak some more. And then you come down here, you see this created the Power BI JSON file that you can use. Just copy and paste this into a JSON file, and then load that into your Power BI as a theme. And then again, you can run it again. And then you can copy and paste this into the Tableau file, and there are instructions for Tableau and Power BI and how you go about doing that. That's it. Again, this is to solve a problem that I've seen in companies I'd worked for in the past, having a customized color palette, being able to make them unique and repeatable. The fact that you can save them in files and then hand them off to other people, I think is really handy.